How to lock Google Keep Notes. So if you want to lock your notes on your Google Notes, then what you need to do is first open up your Notes application, your Google Notes application. Once you've opened, now go for Get Started and allow everything. And once you're here, you need to simply have a note to lock. So for now, I don't have any notes. For example, I'll be adding a note. And once you've added a note, or once you have a note, now to lock your Google Keep Notes, what you need to do is open up the particular note that you would like to lock. So I have this note, right? So once you open the note, now here on the upper right you will have archive option. Tap on archive, and once you tap on archive, your note will be hidden. So you don't have an option to hide or lock your notes, but instead of that you need to archive, and once you archive, your note will be disappeared. So you need to go for the upper left, which has that 3 bar, and then go for archive, and here you will have your note. So that's it. That's how you can hide your notes on your Google Keep Notes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.